In this video, I will be showing you how to use the EarnForex position size calculator. This tool is incredibly useful for managing your risk in Forex trading. Let's get started. First of all, you will need to go to a browser and then type EarnForex position size calculator and then tap on the first link that appears on your screen. Alright, and now you see the calculator. And this calculator basically helps you determine how many units or lots you should trade based on your account parameters and risk tolerance. The first thing you need to select is your account currency. This is the currency your trading account is denominated in. For example, if your account is in USD, select USD from the drop-down menu. Alright, next you need to enter your account size. This is the total amount of money you have in your trading account. For instance, if you have 10,000 in your account, enter, of course, 10,000. And then you will see your risk ratio. So basically you need to specify your risk ratio, and this is the percentage of your account balance that you are willing to risk on a single trade. A common risk ratio is 1%. That basically means that you're willing to risk 1% of your account on a trade. So of course enter this value as 1. And then we see stop loss, and the stop loss is a number of pips you are willing to lose before exiting the trade. For example, if your stop loss is 50 pips, enter 50. Alright, and then we see currency pair, and this basically you need to select the currency pair you are trading in. For instance, if you're trading Euro against the USD, choose Euro against USD from the drop-down menu. Okay, let's go through an example. So the account currency is USD. The account size is 10,000 and the risk ratio is 1%. Then the stop loss is 50 pips. So just enter 50, and the currency pair is Euro USD. And after you entered every value, just tap on calculate. And the results will show you 3 important values. Money. This is the amount of dollar you're risking on the trade. In our example, with a 1% risk ratio, it would be $100. Units. This is the number of units on the base currency you should trade. This calculator will show the exact number. Lots. This is the number of standard lots you should trade. One standard lot is 10,000 units of the base currency. So basically this is all the information you should know in order to take your trade. And of course, keep your trading rules, your risk management rules in your mind. It's very important. So that's how you can use the EarnForex position size calculator to manage your Forex trade. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.